Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're taking a look here at Atom Cosmos, kind of seeing what's going on. We're going to be using the Coinbase chart just because it has the most relevant data. Some other charts are a little newer just because they've been introduced at other times, but generally speaking, I've found this to be the most consistent. That being said, I'm not a financial advisor. Hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is our site, link down below. You can become part of our community, Crypto Cash Trading Community, Academy, and Signals Group, all available there. We're bringing day trades to the community here as well within the next week or two. Really exciting stuff. Also, congrats to our community members who benefited a nice 42% in yesterday's short, which only lasted 22 hours. So I like taking 40% in 2 hours. That's nice to me. All right, so again, check that out in your own time. All right, so here's the thing with Atom. What we want to look at is a few key factors. First of all, on the daily, pretty awesome stuff here. Take a look at this. We got a MACD convergence on the horizon. While it hasn't happened yet, it's pretty strong. It looks like it wants to converge. We could very well see that as soon as tomorrow, but likely another couple of days, depending on the price action. Even if the price goes sideways and consolidates at support here at 0.5 at 1150 mark, we're going to be looking to be in pretty good shape. The one thing that is awesome as well is that we're up above 50 in the RSI. That's commonly a resistance level. If we can close here today at the current price point or higher, we should be in good shape to close that. The only thing I'm a little concerned with is that we have this push up higher with low money flow index. So there's not a lot of money flowing into this coin right now, which is slightly concerning because obviously the price is coming up. There's no resistance. No one's trying to sell. Okay, that implies that there's no selling pressure, which is good, but without volume, you might have a problem, okay? So just be mindful, this could very well run, but lack of volume is not something I love to see. And if we take a look at the super trend, we're still kind of on the downtrend overall, so we truly haven't broken that. Once this switches green, we should be in good shape. Keep in mind, super trend is basically just taking the average true range of the coin and giving you an identification of which side of the tracks you're on. We're not quite there yet, okay? So again, some cool stuff on the horizon, but try not to get too far ahead of yourself. All right, so 4-hour time frame. This is looking pretty good. TD sequential, we can see we're up to a 4. We got a little bit of a reset there. The price hit this massive reset button when Bitcoin dropped from 30,000 to 27,000 in, what was it, an hour? Somewhere in there yesterday? It was just crazy nonsense. There's a main reason for it, of course. There's a lot. In fact, we cover that in our Twitter here, of course. But generally speaking, if you could help us follow or grow this channel as well, it'd be very helpful, just so we can bring more relevant information to you. We got a lot of technical, fundamental, and even some humorous data in here that just makes you want to smile. All right, so cool stuff there. Check that out. But yeah, based on yesterday, some kind of wallet address came live yesterday, and it just dumped the market really massive, really strong. So it was really, really cool to kind of see that happen real time, but unfortunately not cool in other ways. We were able to buy the dip though at 27.5 and 28,000, so super happy about that. All right, that being said, Adam, okay, back on track here. What's the 4-hour telling us? Well, we're below 70, but above 50 on the RSI. That's really good news. We can see a little bit more money's flowing in the market in the last 4 hours. That's positive. Absolutely. It doesn't reflect on the daily yet, but again, candlestick hasn't closed yet, right? So we're waiting for that. And that's why you want to try to be patient if possible. Try not to FOMO in. Obviously, right now it looks like it's really juicy and it should continue higher, but there's a few reasons why it may not too, right? We want to look at smaller time frames to identify, but at this point, we are seeing mostly positive stuff. Let's quickly note the moving averages are below the price action. I forgot to look at this on the daily. We're kind of seeing a triple convergence here, which is not really super common, but it's when all three moving averages kind of average themselves out together. Usually that happens when you have long straight periods of nothing. Right now it's just because it's sharp up, sharp down, kind of causing that to happen. So bottom line here is that the resistance at $11.70, which is where the 200-day SMA is holding, is going to be a point of contention. Okay, we want to pay attention to that and see if we can close above or below that. Again, the closure here at about 1160 is a good start because I would close above a key Fibonacci retracement level. This is commonly that area in which the price will retrace to, that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So we're about halfway through this process, if you will, and it could very well come all the way back up to the $13 mark. We're just not there yet. So take a look at the, actually, let's go back to the 1 hour and let's quickly note on the Ichimoku cloud, we have all green lights here to leave your long position open. Tremendous amount of convergence, essentially, where we have the conversion line above the baseline. This is all green lights here to leave your position open. So do not close or trim your position just yet, but it does look like it's coming to a somewhat of an end. In other words, we're consolidating at the support level. If we can hold this here for a few more hours, we're going to be in good shape. The price comes back down, we can expect a bounce off the 1125 mark. That's roughly what we're looking at there. But the hourly looks fantastic. We can also see that there is no true overextension. We did hit a 9 here recently, and then of course increase from there. But at this point, no news is good news. We're looking pretty decent here for for Cosmos. So all in all, I like this here. It's a good coin. Long-term, big potential, tremendous amount of potential. So I would just recommend dollar cost averaging while you can, because I don't think we're going to see prices this low eventually soon once alt season kicks up. Because what we're doing is we're waiting for altcoin dominance to increase, and in turn Bitcoin dominance will come down. So right now, just to kind of quickly note here, Bitcoin dominance is on the increase right now, but it's hitting a key level resistance. It commonly rejects at the 48 to 49% mark. So if that continues to come up, we'll see some different stories. But all in all, we're expecting the price to come down here with Bitcoin regressing. Okay, so that's pretty much all what you have here. Thanks again so much for joining me. Once again, help us grow our Twitter community here over, obviously, at Twitter. At CryptoCashTech is our handle. And for the most part, again, just keeping you up to date and abreast on some awesome features there. Be sure to check that out. Thanks you so much for joining me here. Hope you have a great rest of your day. We look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care.